Greetings.
Weirdo.
Ooh!
Girl, yes.
I never heard her like the first couple times we watched it.
Know it. You don't have any piercings or tattoos.
And $95 on this week
Plus
tax.
Her face.
I know.
Wait, okay, if she doesn't have time for how ratchet this girl is, why is she taking her time to take a picture and put her on Twitter?
Or why is she taking her time to make a song about
Yeah.
how ratchet this girl is? I hope these girls are happy. They have 51,473 notes on Tumblr.
But look who uploaded it.
Perfect. Westboro Baptist Church. Clearly not either of them.
Alright.
Yeah.
I can't get over
love her
face.
eyes. They're like,
Cause they're rapping. I can't even do it. Think about how many hate comments they got.
I know. Oh my god. I just can't get over that. You have to
She
learn
ratchet.
the
I can't even do her freaking eye thing.
Who, me?
No.
Or no, her.
Yeah.
Her. Like, yeah, I can.
She
I can. She's like...
She ratchet. You were gonna throw that at me!
Throw what?
I don't know! Ugh, Kylie!
Wow. Over. I'm not even wearing pants.
It's not my fault.
Oh.
Cause you ratchet.
No.
You ratchet.
Tommy Sykes.
Oh! Hey, oh now.
Ooh, girl.
You be ratchet.
No, I actually like her. She
I'm
has
kidding.
like really good music taste.
I like it.
She's
It's not you, it's your music taste.
That's how I'm gonna break up with my next boyfriend. It's not you. It's your music taste. Oh my god.
Oh, perfect.
That'll be perfect. They'll be so confused. Like, what? They're like, oh, wow. Oh my god.
He like yells at Trisha because he says she listens to devil music.
I hate when people
And
say that.
And I was like, okay, number one, have you not met do not know how like sweet all of them are. Number two,
like Tony.
you were the one a year ago blasting Hollywood Undead constantly.
Seriously? You listen
And
to Hollywood
ICP.
Undead? They ratchet. Remember when I used to be obsessed with One Direction? That fan fiction. When you get to the sexual part, you have to...
There's straight sex that I have to read about.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I forgot about that. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Video.
Straight
Debut.
sex. Sorry.
That's ratchet.
We try to be cool, but
We're
we
not.
like epically fail. We're all making this video like we think that we're all cool. Like, oh yeah, people are actually gonna watch this, guys.
No, you know who's gonna watch it is two of my friends.
You know, and we're gonna have to tell them. The strongest form of birth control has always been my personality.
And that I don't like dick.
Oh my god. So there's no point in getting birth control in the first place, I guess. What just happened?
They're calling that girl Ratchet. I can't breathe.
I love how you read that, and then it was like because she ratchet.
I'm crying.
Holy shit!
Right after you read that,
I know.
and then they're like, she Ratchet. Those girls are my idols now.
Oh my god, that is perfect.
Only if it had been a picture of
Oh
Miley
god.
Cyrus.
Oh my god, like that new video.
She Ratchet.
She is a wannabe hipster. Hipster's a ratchet as it is.
The hardest thing to tell,
Hmm.
gay or hipster.
Right? You can never truly tell if someone's just a lesbian or if they're trying to be hipster.
Mm-hmm.
I always assume lesbian. Because, I mean, I can,
I have gaydar.
like, what's the word?
Because hipsters are gay?
No. I don't know.
They
I
be
give up.
ratchet. She Ratchet.
She ratchet.
Meh. Make a wish. It's 11:11.
I don't know. I don't even have one. Ugh. Tommy.
Aww.
To be honest, you and Justin are no.
No.
At first, like, I went to pick up Justin on his last day of school, and, like, I got out of the car, and him, Tommy, Joe, and, like, a couple other people were there, and Tommy, like, points towards me and is like, oh my god, Justin, your girlfriend's real! And I was like, holy shit! Yes. Yes.
We're too awkward to be able to high five. Because most likely you're gonna be like, I'm tired.
No, because we're both funny when we're tired, so, like,
It's not funny all the time. What are you talking about? We look tired as fuck.
And
And we slept in.
I know.
First I thought it was gonna be a picture of you and Justin.
Look how cute he is.
Hello, cutie.